DJ Delz.
Alright, Funko Pop addicts, we got a brand new episode, brand new pickup from Funko. I gotta say, Funko is probably the slowest shippers on the planet. I ordered this a long time ago, and it finally got here. I remember when I ordered this right here, the Randy Watson, it took them a good 2 to 3 weeks for them to ship this. So for what they charge, it's pretty ridiculous, because they're kind of expensive, the shipping. So you think if you pay for shipping, it would come quick, within the week. I can understand if it was free shipping, but if it's not free shipping, it shouldn't take as long as it does. I don't think it's where it's super sought after, but it just is a fun looking pop. And it is Sam right there, the barbecue pop. Now I love some damn barbecue, man. I love barbecue. I love food. If you follow my social media, if you listen to my podcast over at patreon.com/DJ Delz, which I recommend you checking out, you know I'm a big foodie guy. So anything that has to do with food, especially barbecue, I'm going to pick up. This is like the second, I would say, Funko that has anything to do with food. The other one that I have is this one right here, which I think is fantastic. A Dig'em Frog. Awesome looking Funko Pop. And I will link this and other ones in the description box below that I think you may want to lock in. This is a fantastic one. To me, this just brings me back to when I was a kid. So I highly recommend it. And let's take this bad boy out of the box and check him out. Bang that thumbs up button if you want to see that. Let's do that. And there he is up close. Love the barbecue hat, the chef's hat with the ham. And I think he got a cleaver behind him, does he? Yes, he does. That's so awesome. I think it's a great pop. Let me know what you think of it. I'd like to put this in my kitchen. I think this would be fun to put somewhere in my kitchen. I don't know how my girl's going to feel about that, though. I wanted to figure out where to put him. Somewhere like in the kitchen, you know, for like for that breakfast vibe, but it's got to look right. Can't be having them looking all crazy. Like, I'm definitely going to keep it out of the box, but somewhere to display it in the kitchen. Maybe we'll have like a shelf where we'll put some of these kind of Funko Pops. I think that would be fun. I love the little wink in the eye. It's just strange because he got the ham, but he's a damn pig, you know? It's a strange pop. I like it. Let me know what you think of him. Let me know if you picked him up, if you wanted him, if you passed. Leave all that good stuff in the comments. And I'll put information on a bunch of other pops I think you may be looking for, so definitely check that out. And there you go with a close-up HD look at Sam, the barbecue pig. Let me know what you think of him. It is limited to 5,000 pieces. I just realized that now. That's pretty cool. I didn't even realize that. And I like that. I mean, I'm familiar with the sticker from the other ones I picked up, which I'll show you some of the other ones I picked up in a second. But I like how it has that 5,000 pieces. Pretty cool. There's some of my other new pickups. Got Oscar, got Dustin, got Conan, got Kenny Omega. Finally scored the Triple H Chase. Razor Ramon autographed I got, which I'm super happy about. One of my favorite pops I own right now. Red Hood, more Conan. Another crazy pop I got. Check out the video to this one. I'll tell you the whole story about how I got it. Awesome, awesome story behind it. And I'm glad that Chris is back with the Talking Dead. I thought that was totally not fair that he lost his job for a second. So I'm very happy as a fan. Can't wait for The Walking Dead to come back. And I'm a little nervous, though, to see what they do with the show, because it's all these rumors are just scary as hell. If you're a fan of The Walking Dead, let me know that in the comment box below. If you love The Walking Dead, use the hashtag The Walking Dead in below. Did pick this one up recently. I did a pretty awesome vlog. I would love you to check out where I found this one. It wasn't even hitting the shelves yet, but I scooped it up with the quickness, scored some chases. Awesome Funko Pop hunting vlog. So check it out. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe if you love Funko. You will, I hope, enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, you should love the other videos, because it's a lot of the same content, if not better. So definitely check that out. Trying to see if there's anything else that I did get new. Oh, I got the Thor. I feel like I do this every video, but I really liked how this video came out. Check out my out of the box review on Thor. Really awesome. Do a glow-in-the-dark test on it. A lot of fun, so check that video out. There's some of my Walking Dead Funko Pops. Right there. I love the Sasha one. And I love the Negan one. Toys R Us. So sad they closed down, right? It just sucks. Ugh. And I don't have many of these kind of Funkos that are from FunKo's site. Now that I think about it, I have just this one. I have these two right here, limited to 3,000. I have, of course, this one I just showed you. And I did get the Randy Watson over there too. So that's really all I've gotten from there. And they do post some pretty awesome pops, but they sell out super quick. So I don't have the luck like some other people have. Pops I'm looking for, I am looking for the Ant-Man Chase. I am looking for the Finn Balor WWE Chase. And you know what I really want? The Bigfoot Funko Pop. I'm willing to trade a whole bunch of Funko for that pop. I know it's worth some money. So if you have it, hit me up. Real DJ Delz on Instagram. Real DJ Delz or Delz Toy Show. Definitely hit me up, and hopefully we could figure out something that we can trade for that, because I would love that Bigfoot Funko Pop. I think it's just an awesome looking one. Let me know if there's anything that you are looking for. Maybe I can help you out, or someone that's watching this video can help you out with. Oh, you know what I want too? The Stinkor, man. I really would love the Stinkor Funko Pop. I'm trying to hunt that one down too now that I think about it. Let me know what you're looking for though. Leave that in the comments. A lot of people have been asking me, what is a chase? Now I know some heads may be like, oh, come on dude, we know what that is, but there are a lot of people that do not know what a chase is, that are just starting to collect, which is totally fine. So we're gonna get into this video. Before we do, please subscribe. Hit the bell also next to the subscribe button. When you hit the red subscribe button, there'll be a bell right next to it. Hit the bell. That will let YouTube know that every time I upload a video, you actually want to be notified. So please do so. Now, a limited edition chase is with select models. When they release a version, they will release a limited edition version alongside with it, and it will be different. For example, as you can see here, these two Stranger Thing Demogorgons, they are chases. Now, the standard version, the one that they make more of, will look like that, as you see on the box. But these have the face closed, the mouth closed. So usually it's about 1 out of 6 that they release will be this limited edition version, which is also known as a chase. So for instance, with the 8-bit Demogorgon, as you can see, his mouth is shut. And then on the standard version, bang, you see that this is the standard version now. The mouth is open. So that's the best way for me to break down what a limited edition chase is to a Funko Pop. It is a rare version of the general release model that they release. Now this isn't with every single Funko Pop that releases. It's only with select ones they will make a different version just for collectors, where 1 out of 6 usually you have a chance of scoring a version that is different than the one that they mass produce. On Buddy the Elf, the chase version, he has a Jack-in-the-Box, but on the standard version he has maple syrup. The Grinch, he is blue in this one. This is the limited edition chase. And on the standard version, which there's more pieces available, it's not rare like this one, he is green. And some more chases just to show you. The Hopper one, he is wearing a hat on the standard version. On the chase, no hat. The Riddler, he's got the mask going around his eyes. On the chase version, you see it's different. And on the 11 with Ego, you see the picture of the standard version, and then on the chase, she's wearing the blonde wig. I hope this video helped you guys out. Just wanted to explain what a chase is, because I do have people that ask me a lot, What is a chase, Delz? What is the deal with these stickers and everything like that and the hype behind it? It's a different version of the release that is limited. Now, once again, keep in mind, that's not what every single model. So like, for example, this Stan Lee right here, this Walmart exclusive, there's not going to be a chase to this because they did not make a chase. And then if you see like the Rick and Morty, they made chases. There's a standard version, and you can see his face on the image to the side of the box. That's the standard version, and then what you see in the box, his face expression is different. That's the chase. Just like above him, Mr. Meeseeks, he's smiling in the standard version, and then on the actual chase version, the limited edition version, he is pissed off. The Raiden right there, same thing as you can see. Glows in the dark on the chase, and the standard version does not glow in the dark. So, hope this helped you out. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Share it. Let your friends know that may be into Funko Pops. And I will be back tomorrow, of course, with a new video. Sometimes I upload twice, so that's why I was saying it's important that you hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified and you don't miss out on all the videos. I hope everyone's doing great out there. Happy hunting. Hope everyone's able to get their pops that they want. And let me know what you're looking for in the comment box below. And what is your favorite chase? I'll hit you with 2 different questions. I love when we all interact with one another. So let me know, and everyone have a great, great day. We out.